So silence. Silence doesn't exist. So I've been, oh, maybe it does. Even in my room, no matter where I am, it's never quiet. And I think it's because silence doesn't exist. Because there's always going to be white noise, right? No matter where you go, no matter what you do, there's always going to be background noise. Whether it's the trees rustling, or the cars zooming by, or dogs barking, or cicadas cicadaing, or the air conditioning. Even inside, it's just it's humming. It's humming. And sometimes when I'm editing these videos, I'm like, ugh, what's that white noise? What's that background noise? Why is it doing that? And then I just have to think back to what good old Casarelli said in my voice and dialects class when she would make us sit there at the beginning of class and just find silence. But the thing is you would find your own silence. Because everyone's silence is different. And that's because we're all hearing different things. Which sounds so deep. Human beings, man. We're legit cool things. And I think that's something we need to be reminded of, you know? I think we should all find silence every day. Because we need it. Our input is so chaotic and we're taking in so many things every day that we just need to find a time to not do anything. Let everything just calm down and breathe. Let's all breathe. Let's do it. Anyways, I hope you guys find some silence in your day tomorrow. I know I will. It is back, and that means that it was silent. You get it.